So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to use our 5-pin flex to flex connector kits with our RGBW LED neon flex. Now the connector kit comes with a 5-pin connector cable. You've got your 2 connector caps. You've got four grip pieces, screws, and your IP68 sealant. Now these strips are IP68. They're fully submersible and fully waterproof. And if you are using them for outdoor use or for submersible use, follow the same steps. You just want to apply the IP68 sealant liberally inside before you connect it. You can see it's got the waste holes in the corner here and here, just there, for the excess IP68 sealant. As with any installation though, before you do that, it is best to test it before you permanently install. And I've said this in a few of the other videos as well that I've made for these accessories, but it's really quite easy to damage the PCB on these neon flex strips. So it might be worth over-ordering about a meter, play around with it, make sure you get the hang of it before you permanently install. So first step is to find out which way they go round. Now they're only designed to go one way. If I take this this short length of the neon flex that I have, you see the light channel on the top here. If I hold this up, you can see there's a slight curved end on this side. Now if I hold the connector cap up, you can see the same curved end just there, and with the connector cable itself as well. Again, sorry, wrong way around. Again, same curved end at the top. So we know which way the top is, sorry. Now, looking at this, the 5 pins here need to go underneath the PCB and the plastic lip needs to go inside. So this is the right way around. It needs to go underneath there with the plastic lip going into the indent. Now if I turn it around the wrong way, you'll be able to see that that is not going to line up. It's not going to work. So now to connect, it's best off to start off with your power end, especially if it's already installed, so then you can easily flip around and swap the offcut that you need to install. So first things first, put the connector cap down. You want the threads facing outwards. Slide that over the top. Next you have these grip pieces. You can see if I hold up the grip pieces, they've got a little plastic lip on the corner there, just at the end, and that's going to have to go at the end of the flex. So install one just there, and take the other one and clip it over. Now obviously you want the teeth to be at the bottom, not over the top light channel there. So connect them together and push them in. Now if I switch this off, just find the right way around, then I need to push it in. You can see you've got the PCB there with the indent, so that one's not going to fit around. So let's try this one. You see straight away that is going to work. You've got the 5 pins going underneath the PCB, plastic lip to go in the indent just there. So line it up just underneath the PCB and then stab it in. Now that first time you push them in can be quite difficult sometimes. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's definitely made the connection. Now I wouldn't screw this down just yet, you're going to want to test it first. So next you take your offcut, let's power this on just to do a quick test. Find the right way around, which is going to be this way. Quickly touch that, and there you go, you can see that one lighting up already. So take your connector cap, again, threads facing out. Take your grip pieces, do the underside first. Flush with the LED flex, and then the top side. Make sure the teeth line up. Slide over your plastic cap, and then you can start to put this in. There you go. And now, once it's down, you can then screw it in. The best way to screw it in would be to do it diagonal. So if you start with the bottom right, do the top left, and so on, so on. Both of them, and there you go. There's our flex to flex connector kit, our 5-pin flex to flex connector kit for our RGBW LED neon flex.